doing a day running my own slime business. I began my day making a restock list and then I made a ton of slimes. The first slime I'm making is the base to a new slime called Pumpkin Cheesecake. Then I made a few crunchy slimes including Cookie Crisp Cereal, Strawberry Oreo Crumb Crunch, and Nerds Rope. Overall, I made around 10 batches of slime, which is around 20 gallons, so that's pretty crazy. After making some slime, me and my staff packed up a bunch of boba slimes because they sold out super fast in my last week's restock, so I wanted to restock them. This is Strawberry Lemonade Boba as well as Taro Boba, and they're both available in my shop right now. After that, I took some product pictures of the new slimes for my website. I also filmed a few videos for Instagram as well. And that was my day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!
Guys, today we're packing an order for Christine. She ordered a ton of slimes. Thank you so much for ordering. She's receiving an 8-ounce of Cookie Monster, 8-ounce of the North Pole, 8-ounce of Fruity Pebbles cookie that comes with an adorable clay cookie, 8-ounce of Baby Yoda Boba, and an 8-ounce of M&M Brownie Sundae. And she also ordered a Boba plushie. She's receiving a premium goodie bag, some extra squishies, can't forget the shredded glitter paper. Whose order should I
Make my best-selling mint chocolate chip ice cream slime with me. I first started by adding all of the glue to the mixer along with some activator and mixed it until the slime fully formed. After that was done, I added a ton of clay into the mixer along with some green food coloring, and then I shut the mixer and let it mix. Once that was all mixed together, I added some snow to give it a snowy or butter texture, and then I added some mint chocolate chip sprinkles to make it look realistic and mint chocolate chip scent to make it smell realistic. Then the mixer mixed it all together and that was it. This slime has such a squishy texture and it smells so delicious. I love it for stress relief, and that's how you.
Poppin' y'all, the last few days I've been moving into a new house, which means I've been moving into a new slime shop. I first started by taking all the scents off of my walls and putting them into boxes, and this is what it looked like then. I then took all of my smaller glue bottles and drug them downstairs because they're definitely coming with me. And when I got to the new space, I first started off by putting these stainless steel tables together with my brother. They were super annoying really because they were wrapped into super tight plastic, but they came out really nice, I think, and I'm really excited to use them. We also took in my mixer, which was super heavy, and I put up a banner with my logo. And then the fun part was putting up the shelves again for my scents, glitters, and my charms. My parents actually helped me with that, which was really cool, so shout out to them. I'm really not quite done with the space yet, but I'm excited to show y'all when it's complete.
My life as a teen entrepreneur. Today my staff packaged orders while I packed slimes for this upcoming Friday's restocked. I packed many of my bestsellers like Berry Berry Hibiscus Clear Slime and Caramel Frappuccino Slime. Then I helped my staff members finish packaging all the orders from last Friday's restock. Here's how the slime shelf looked like after we packaged half of the slimes, and here we are packing all the priority mail orders. Then I made 3 new slimes for this upcoming restock. First is a base for cracked egg slime, then a base for cookie butter cake slime, which is a crunchy bingsu fizz slime that smells like butterscotch brulee, and chalky milk, which is a glossy, thick slime that smells exactly like chocolate milk. During lunch break, I went to pick up Round Rock donuts for my staff and I, and organized all of the new squishies that got delivered, which are going to be extras for large orders. After that, I filmed a crunchy flown video for TikTok and finally went back home. I made pasta for dinner and spent rest of the night finishing up homework for school and practiced my trumpet.
Today we're making a big batch of kettle corn slime in my brand new mixer, so I'm just adding in some kettle corn fragrance oil and some yellow and brown food coloring to get the perfect kettle corn color, and we're just mixing that all up and adding in some foam beads and marshmallow foam beads, and look at how beautiful it looks, so crunchy.
Hey guys, I'm starting a new series where I package up orders for TikTok influencers. So today I'm going to be packaging an order for Katie, aka Not Even Okay on TikTok. The first slime I gave her is candy corn ice cream because it's one of my favorites. I also added vanilla bean whipped cream because it smells amazing. I also gave her a polyjuice potion, a brownie milk, and a caramel apple ice cream. And finally, I included a pizza dough because I think she'd love the scent. Then I took a medium box and put all the slimes inside of the box. I filled it up with packing peanuts, and I also gave her borax in case the slime gets sticky, some care instructions as well as a wristband, and I also included some stickers for her as well. Finally, I taped the box up and added some stickers.
Package an order for Aesthetic Rules. First I added the packing peanuts and picked out the slime. She ordered blueberry waffle, cotton candy cloud, boba slime and banana, peppermint butter, Slytherin egg as a mystery slime, and I gave her a free soap because she's ordered a bunch. I added the slime care sheet and the borax. Thanks for your order.
pack another order together. This order is from Quan from California, and they ordered Dunkery cake, coffee bean ice cream, birthday cake, scoop, mini pancakes, DIY, and Charlie's cold brew. And of course, we pull all of the extra scoops and cups for those. This order was a perfect size for one of our mid boxes, so that's what we're adding it to now, adding some packing peanuts to make sure it's safe, and of course all of our little extras. And it's ready to go. Thank you so much.
Hi guys! Today we're putting together a special slime package for Honey Boa Bear. We need 2 boxes for all the goodies. She's receiving Christmas cookie bars, a DIY clay slime, Baby Yoda boba, candy cane ice cream, brown sugar boba, the North Pole, and lastly eggnog cheesecake. Can't forget the premium goodie bag, some more extras, and some shredded glitter paper. Check out our TikTok to see your reaction and see what's in the second box.
As a teen entrepreneur, I started off by making maple waffle and fruity pebble waffles for this upcoming Friday's restock. Then I packed many slimes, starting off with bubble bath slime, Snoop Puffs, and more green tea face mask slime. I'm currently obsessed with my green tea face mask slime because the texture is so smooth and the scent is super relaxing. Then I went to the Domain to meet up with my sister to get lunch at a restaurant called Culinary Dropout and came back home to walk my dog before going back to my office to work. I packed one more slime called Marshmallow Fluff and then experimented with creating new DIY add-ons like this chocolate cookie for milk and cookies DIY slime. Then I filmed a TikTok video for a new slime called Love Donut, which honestly looks so appetizing to eat, and then worked on my slime subscription boxes that I'll be releasing in less than 2 weeks. I printed out all of the slime labels today and I love how the designs turned out. Finally, I went roller skating with my friends at night in Austin, came back home to finish up homework, practice guitar, and go to bed.
Package and order with me. This customer ordered 2 slimes as a birthday gift, which was so sweet. I first started by grabbing both of the slimes, which are already bubble wrapped. She ordered strawberry yogurt and banana milk. I then made a box and put the gift receipt in, along with the 2 slimes, which fit perfectly in the box, which made it look so cute. I then added a business card with borax baggies on top, and a lollipop for an extra. After everything was in, I sealed the box and added to the rest of my orders. Thank you all for successful restock, and my next restock is Saturday.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be packing up one of our biggest orders. This order is from Suzanne, so thank you so much. They ordered red velvet cookie dough, love batter, cotton candy cone, cotton candy lemonade, love potion cake, dreamland skies, strawberry milk, butterfly blossom, panda tea float, bear bubblegum milk, fairy frosting, cookies and cream, lucky charms, midnight berries, pixie potion float, gummy pop gloss, and blue raspberry lemonade. First up, we made up the box and put the slimes in, along with some packing peanuts to make sure they don't get hurt in the post, along with 2 extra slimes as a thank you. We then added the extra bags with the activator, added a thank you card and sealed it up. Thank you so much, Suzanne.
Day of my life as a teen business owner. Today at around 5:30 so I could play a match of tennis with my sister before school started. We played for about an hour and I came home to make a breakfast of rice, eggs, and cucumber before doing all of my online classes and schoolwork for the day. After that was done, I went to practice the piano and my friend Bobby Panda for lunch. Then it was time to work, so I had my sister help me package a ton of slimes, including banana milk, lover waffle, kiwi dew crush, and many more. I then made a ton of slimes for Saturday's restock like Dole Whip Scoop, Nutella Gloss, and Fruit Loops, which I filmed a TikTok video for. Then I drove to Starbucks and picked up a pink drink with matcha, which I have a slime named after, and organized a delivery of charms that came into the mail. Later that night I had dinner and walked my dog and came home to take product pictures and filmed a new video for a new slime called Oreo Ice Cream before going to bed.
Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, Lord I try my best since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of feathers. Getting cold, but I have my own sweater. Fuck your polyester, cause cotton's way better. You were in Jack and Rose when you're sunk, only you froze cause you gave her your sweater. You're lost in this land and trying not to panic, but now it's too late to come back. I'm moved on and I'm better, know my worth, I'm Heather, not taken for granted. Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, Lord I try my best since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of feathers.
Hey guys, what is up? Let's package a slime order. Slime order had 37 slimes. In this order, we have Gingerbread Man, Christmas Bow, Candy Cane, Holiday Hot Chocolate, Confetti Cake, Peppermint Twist, Lump of Coal, Grinch Fur again, Christmas Tree, Grinch Miss, Stocking Stuffers, Cookie Milk, Gingerbread Man again, Frosty the Snowman, Holiday Hoopy Woody, Eggnog, Very Very Bing Soup, Christmas Bow again, Peppermint Polka Crispy, fresh snow, marshmallow confetti cake, peppermint twist again, cooler pretzels, Christmas cookies, Grinchmas, Christmas cheer, sugar cookies, gingerbread, cornbread, potato, lump of coal, Croissant's popcorn, toffee caramels, and oh my god, blessed. I literally and now I packaged the order all together with this really cute little paper filling inside of it, all stacked, very secure in my non-breakable jars. I added in a bunch of extras, and yeah, thank you so much. ByJacqueline.com.
Hi guys! Today we're packing a slime order. We're packing Brittany's order. Thank you so much for supporting me. She ordered a pumpkin pecan waffle, apple pie, caramel apple float, candy corn dough, hocus pocus, and a mystery slime. And of course the order comes with an extras bag filled with goodies and more extras for larger orders. But we can't forget the bubble wrap and finally some shredded glitter paper. Thanks, Brittany!
What's poppin', y'all? Let's go ahead and package a slime order. So this order here is for 3 to 4 slimes and it's going in a box. So if you purchase 3 to 4 slimes from my shop, this is typically what the order will look like. So first off, I start by grabbing all the slimes that are in the order and I look at the packing slip just to make sure that everything's correct. Then I start to play Tetris and try to fit everything inside of the box. Everything is secured with bubble wrap, of course, because we want everything to be super secure and nothing to leak or crack on you. Next, I go ahead and get our new little thank you bags. It comes with some borax activator and some candy and also our business card as well, and a couple of them come with charms as well, which is really cool. I added in an extra candy, which is the airhead that you just saw. I put more bubble wrap on top just to keep it super secure. I put some green tissue paper to match the aesthetic of my shop. Then I put in your packing slip and I tape it all up, and that is basically how a order of 3 to 4 slimes will come shipped.